Alright, she's sleeping right now. I'm going to blow it with my air horn. Oh my god. Bad Ronnie and Santiago, why did you wake me up with your air horn? You could have scared me a lot. That's it, I'm telling my dad on you. Dad, please. Come. Here please.
What is it, Ronnie and Santiago?
You won't believe this. Bad Ronnie and Santiago wake me up with their horn and scared me a lot.
Don't worry, Ronnie and Santiago, I'm going to deal with her now. Oh my god. Bad Ronnie and Santiago, how dare you blow the air horn and wake up Ronnie and Santiago? That's it. You are grounded until Black Friday is coming. Now, go to your room now.
What?